Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my August favorites video. I'm so excited to come to y'all for the month of August to share my favorites for this month. Yeah, July did not know favorites really. When you see I skip months, that means I didn't have any favorites in that particular month. And when I do record, that means it's lucky I have a favorite today, okay? I got a bunch of favorites. I have a lot like the last favorite, but I got a few items I've been loving, and this favorite is totally different from the other, so yes! So cupcakes, I'm not putting the items in no particular category, so I'm gonna start just what comes to hand, okay? The first item I've been loving for the month of August is this Lady Speed Stick Invisible Dry. Now I know y'all been saying, like, come on, Maneisha. You do not use feminine deodorant. Like, you like male deodorants, because that's the only thing that will control the odor. But happens so, I only use this deodorant at nighttime. After I take a bath to go to bed, I put on this deodorant. So that's the only time I put on this deodorant. Now, I didn't purchase this, so I had no choice but to use this deodorant. But thankfully for sis, hey sis, when I wake up in the morning, I don't smell any odor from my armpit. My arm, the level be down, and it smells good. Like, I smell good on the arm. You know, some deodorants, like when you wake up in the morning, like, what the hell? Like, oh my god, what the hell? Shit! But with this deodorant, I don't have any odor when I wake up in the morning. So I like this for bedtime. Now, would I wear this deodorant in the daytime when I'm more active? No, I ain't playing myself like that. I can't play myself. I know my body. So I can't rock these type of deodorants in the daytime when I'm more active, or at times when I'm more active. Even though I be active sometimes till bedtime, because sex be good, honey. So the next item I've been loving for the month of August is the Bahama balm vitamin E gel. This is all messed up. I have this like twisters. I how much I've been pumping and squeezing out this bottle. Like, this is the vitamin E gel. I put this all over my body, like literally all over my body, head to toe. Okay, I tried this out instead of the aloe gel, which the aloe gel I love from Ocean Potion. But I wanted to try this out because it was cheap in the food store. I saw this for $167. I couldn't find Ocean Potion aloe gel at that time, so I purchased this instead. And it's done a pretty good job when it comes to my skincare. My skin feels smooth. It looks like it gets even. I don't have that like aging on my skin anymore. I mean, I barely say age anyhow, but still. What I used to see, the little fine lines, I really don't have it anymore like that. You can't really see it. So I think this working. I've been using this from, I think I've been rocking with this since July. Yeah, I've been using this since July, I think. Either June or July, I've been using it. This became my favorite over time, because, you know, some things you gotta use it for a good while for you to end up get the feeling of it and love it. Now the aloe gel, as soon as I used that in a few weeks, I was like, oh my god, look at my skin. But this, to use it a few times, I was a little iffy about it, but I'm glad about this. Like, you see all this down here, this is the gel. It's like yellow, but oh, this is what I left with. Like, oh my god. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know what I've been really raving about and been telling y'all about, because, you know, I'm getting older. I'm getting no younger. I'm not getting younger anymore. I hope to take vitamins to help me boost me up and boost my immune system and speed up my metabolism and everything. And I really don't like the hard tablets. So I've been loving this Centrum multi gummies for women, natural cherry, berry, and orange flavors. And it came with 70 gummies. So I've been loving this multivitamins. So I asked Jamie to brought me some vitamins. So she told sis, and sis brought me this Centrum multivitamin gummies, which I love so darn much. I'm out of it. My next item I've been loving for the month of August is this Bath & Body Works You Shine Bright Strawberry Lemon Deep Cleansing Hand Soap with Coconut Oil. I love this hand soap, okay? This hand soap is pretty good. I got this from Jazz and Sis. Sis give me this or Jazz give me this. And so it's either Sis or Jazz give it to me. But I'm loving this. I have this in the bathroom, so when, you know, finish using the toilet or whatever case and be all any use in the bathroom other than showering. It has a sweet strawberry, sparkling lemon, and crystallized sugar. Most of the times when I cook, I use this particular ingredient on my meat to make it a little spicy. Because Bay loves spicy food. He loves to eat spicy food. Like, oh my god. If he has to, he will put hot sauce in his cereal, okay? Like, he'll do too much. And this is the Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning and hot. And also the Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning and white pepper blends. Like, if y'all haven't heard about Slap Your Mama, please purchase this shit, okay? This really is spicy. If you want like spicy food, it's recommended for all dishes from popcorn to seafood, breakfast to late night snack, gourmet food to French fries. Like, oh my gosh. And really, the name of this is super funny. And this is super pepper. Like, you have to be careful even when using it. You have to wash your hands good in order to take the last fumes and the spicy of your hands so you don't put it in your eyes and burn your eyes off. But this is really getting a little bit goes a long way. Do not pour a lot of this. A little bit of this goes a long way, okay? But I love this Slap Your Mama seasoning. And I got two so get lashes for the rest of the year. So awesome. So you know, Jazz and Sis, when y'all come back over, bring me some more of these. So my last item I've been loving from the month of August is this Toastmaster personal blender right here. I love this blender. Now, I purchased this for Babe, for him passing his exam. He loved it to death. And also I love it too. He don't like me to use his blender. He's like, oh, this is my blender. You gotta buy your own shit. And I'm like, oh, really no? Oh, really now? Oh, really, bro? I purchased this from Amazon.com. And I saw a lot of mixed reviews about this blender saying, you know, the engine go bad, whatever the case may be, or the key not working or whatever. Sorry to hear that for the folks who purchased this and they had bad experiences with it. But for me, this good. It's a good ass blender. And I've been using this for how long? When he passed exam. He passed his exam in July. So I've been using this since August. So that's been a month, eh? I've been using this for a month. Because when he is not around, I use this blender, okay? Because I purchased this, so I should be able to use it. Duh. The same size container can make 2 cups of smoothie, 2 full cups of smoothies. The good thing about it, it comes off, and you can just use it as a sippy cup. It has a little cup form, a lid top that you can use as a sippy cup, and you fill it blending and just drink it right straight up like that. But other than that, he likes to put it in the cup, you know, to preserve his stuff, because he don't want to fall in and miss and break the blade and stuff, you know. Even though it's a pretty good quality for very affordable, very affordable blender, and it's a really good personal blender. It blends even crushed ice. We make alcoholic beverages in this. We make daiquiris. We make smoothies. And we crush a lot of big, large ice with using this blender. And you see anything wrong? Nothing wrong with the blades. The blades, look at the blades. Pretty freaking good. So cupcakes, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all like every item that I mentioned in this video. If y'all interested in purchasing an item from this video, then go check it out and experience it yourself. P.S. September season 2 is coming back, honey. If y'all watch season 1 of September, they all know how season 2 is gonna be lit as ever. Like September, for the entire month of September, I will be discussing sex-related topics, but every week. So this is gonna be lit, and this is a discussion-based series. So you can comment down below your views on certain topics. State your facts and opinions, you know, so that it can help others in our topics for September for season 2. leave a link right up here so you can click on it right now to go watch all the seasons of September. I have a whole playlist that you can watch right now. And trust me, you're gonna love it. You're gonna want to drink, have a little wine on the side or some hard rum, and eat some popcorn or whatever you're snacking on. And this is lit, okay? The topics are lit. So you know season 2 is gonna be even lit.